Many people think that dead cucumbers cannot come back to life, but that's not true. Have you ever stood next to your cucumbers and thought, it's over, there's no hope for them? The leaves have turned yellow, the stems have wilted, and there are no fruits. This is a sign that the plant is seriously lacking something, most often proper nutrition. That's why today we bring you an excellent free organic supplement for cucumbers. And you, dear friends, subscribe to our channel, it's completely free, and press the bell to be notified of every new video. Thank you for subscribing to our Gardener Plus channel. Cucumbers are big consumers of nutrients. When they run out of them, the first things that suffer are the leaves, and then the flowers. Without supplements, there is no life in the roots, and without roots, there is no fruit. That's why timely supplements are the key. The plant is always sending you signals. You just need to know how to read them. Yellowing of the leaves, drying of the edges, small fruits or falling flowers are not the end, but a call for help. This is where this simple recipe comes in, which not only restores strength, but also strengthens the plant to withstand subsequent heat waves and attacks of disease. But what many people don't know is that even when the plant looks dead, the root is still alive. It just needs the right impulse to start over. Today I'm going to show you exactly that, a natural mixture that restores strength to cucumbers and makes them grow again. So let's go to the recipe for reviving cucumbers. Take 1 liter of water, 1 glass of milk, about 200 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and water the plants with this liquid at the very root, in the morning or evening. The milk provides calcium and strengthens the plant. The soda protects against fungi, and the water refreshes and awakens the roots. In just a few days, you will notice how the leaves regain their color and strength. And now be sure to share this video on social networks. And watch this video to a natural trick that extends the cucumber harvest and produces more fruits than ever.